Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
Hi, what's up people out there? This is me Ashish from ashvircreations. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well, today in this video I'm gonna show you how to create, how you can edit your photograph like luizclas. You can transform any of your photographs just like luizclas. He is a very famous Instagram photographer. If you don't know, then go and check it out his Instagram profile. His photographs are very much red and very much with moody colorness. So let's see how you can edit any of your photograph to like luizclas color effects. So before getting to the video, just press the like button on this video so that it will motivate me to make more videos for you guys. And if you still haven't subscribed to our channel, then do subscribe and hit the notification icon to get latest updates. And don't forget to visit our website, that is www.ashvircreations.com, and press the bell icon on the website and also on the YouTube channel, and follow me on Instagram. So let's jump to the Lightroom. Now let's import the photo which you want to get edited. Now let's select this image, which is a raw file, and go to the develop tab. Now all you need to do is just first of all we will just decrease the exposure of the image, and then just we will increase the contrast, decrease some highlights of the image, and decrease the shadows. Decrease some white area, or you can just increase some whiteness from here. Increase kind of clarity to around +10. Now the next thing would be you are doing, that is go to the HSL tab. Then let's just decrease the, go to the saturation tab and just decrease the green color. Decrease the aqueous color. Decrease some kind of purple tone. Now we'll change the red color. Very first thing, we'll go to the calibration tab, move the slider from Now let's go to the HSL tab. Go to the hue and saturation, move the slider from red to to kind of +10, and move your slider to orange to this color. Now you can decrease the green color and decrease the luminescence of the green color. Change the green color, red color to +25. Now here we have attained the very red color skin tone on the image. Now the next thing would be, to add some blackness on the curve. So go to the RGB, select the RGB, click a point over here, and then just here increase the blackness. Before increasing the blackness, we will add some vignette on the image. Go to the HSL tab and let's just add some vignette on the image. And we will add the curves. Now here you want to increase, if you want to increase the whiteness, you can just increase it from here. Now let's change the skin tone to red color. Now let's go to the shadows, select the red color from there. Decrease some saturation from there. Let's add the highlights on the image. Of the yellowish color. Go to the color profile. So here you can see we have achieved the red color on the image. So here we have edited the portrait with best color tone effect in Lightroom. So here you can see the before and after effect. Here it was a very before and here it is a after, just like luizclas. Well, I hope you guys have enjoyed the video, and if you enjoyed, then just hit the like button on this video so that it will motivate me to make more videos for you guys. And if you still haven't subscribed to our channel, then do subscribe and hit the notification icon to get latest updates. And don't forget to visit our website, that is www.ashvircreations.com. From there you can find new backgrounds, camera preset, Lightroom preset, and every kind of photo editing stuff. So go and check it out, that website. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, just type ashvircreations. Well, thank you for watching and bye bye to the next video.